Let's set up that thank you email. Now, when you make this email and click on Create Email under Marketing Email, you want to click on Automated for this so that it will work in a workflow. You can click Regular and then change it later to Automated, so no worries if you accidentally click that. I have our email ready to go right here. I removed everything. If you accidentally do click on Regular, you can just go over here to Actions and then Convert to Automated Email. And now this can work in a workflow. Okay, let's add in the header and the same hero image we've been using. We will add in some copy with the hyperlink included to the case study, and then we will add another button for them to download the case study. Okay, so I have the header, the hero image with the link to the case study. I need to bold this and italicize this, and then also add in the link to the file, just like we did on the thank you page. I want to bold this. We have the case study linked here on the button. And down here, we would add in links to contact page, how we work, and so on, but I'm not going to do that right now. Something that you see here, though, is that we have the white background here, but we don't have it on the rest of these. So what you do is you just go to Design. See how this has gray right here? You're going to click on that. There you go. Now this thing is all white. And then you'll go over to Settings. We have it coming from us as well as our usual marketing email address. And then we added in the personalization token. So let me show you how to do that real quick. You'll click here on Personalize, and then you'll go to the contact properties, type in first name, insert. Here's your website optimization case study. And then we add in a preview text. And then since this is automated, when you go here, you don't see the usual send to recipients, schedule, and so on, because it is automated. Okay, so we have our thank you page. We have our thank you email. Now let's go set up the workflow to send them that email with the download. So you'll go to Create Workflow from scratch. We want to start with a blank workflow. What we will do is click Next. Just like the previous video, we want to stick to a similar naming convention throughout so everything is organized and clear. So I'm going to replicate the landing page and thank you page and email. Okay, so let's set that enrollment trigger to be that form submission we created on the landing page we made. Let's give it a 5-minute delay so we aren't hitting them immediately, and then we will send that email. Since I didn't publish this, this is giving me a warning. Let me go back to the email and publish it. Okay, now that we published the email, it is ready and it is working. Review it for any potential issues and then turn it on. And since this is a new landing page we're creating, we're going to hit this option right here. You'll click on this option if, let's say, a sales rep left your company and you're transitioning contact ownership from that person to another and retroactively automating. So when your business finishes that ebook filled with valuable information for prospects, follow along with these videos and you will be able to set up a basic inbound strategy for your content to drive lead generation and brand awareness.